9:46 a.m. Sunday the 26th, 2018, coming from Kansas City, Missouri. What I want to talk a little bit today is about bloodlines. And we're going to talk about a little bit. I had a blood test done just to have a little bit of fun with it because I really don't care that much about it all. But since so many people here, it's like, who's the most superior race? Well, I mean, all of them think one or the other. I mean, after what are we talking here? Over 10,000 years or 5,000 years? We're all still fighting on this planet, aren't we? But we're going to go on from there. We're going to take a look at something here, certain races. And what I'm looking at more is what I want to look at is I want to talk a little bit about biokinetic energy. And I've come across about 4 different signatures on this planet. Let me get back to this first. Let's go take a look here what we think. Now, there's some hypotheses here. This here is they believe that O could have been the origination of where the O started, and then it went off from the A and B. And that's how all these groups were formed. Now, some of the Germans, I think it's, I don't know the percentage wise here, I think in the United States, I think it's about 36%, I believe, have O in it. And, when you get in, when we talk about, alien species, it doesn't have the rhesus, basically it doesn't have the monkey but gene, supposedly like. But there's 4 actually different species there. Now what I'm showing you right here, it's kind of like an overview that Iran did. They did two separate hypotheses on this. And this is one, but there's also another one. And this is A and B. Now A and B could also have been the origination of where it all came from and how it broke off. Like it says, the first blood group had AB, which gradually resulted in A and B and O blood groups. Nobody really knows for sure on this. But there's a lot of people that, just, I don't know. I think the thing of it is, I'm looking for answers out there in the universe. Not domination or control. But the thing of it is, there's always going to be one group out there that's looking for that, isn't there? It's just like today, we're going to talk, I was going to do a radiation count real quick here. What do we got this morning? 19 on the CPM, 115 total on Seaver, at 91 count in 1 minute and 15 seconds. Just like what happened last night. We had a geomagnetic energy surge come in through here. And actually, there wasn't anything even showing that. Everything looked pretty much calm. Within probably since about midnight last night, I think within the next 24 hours, we got a lot of energy coming through here that we didn't even know was coming. Because like the Earth and Sun, they're kind of like interconnected. Now, do I believe people are all interconnected? No, I do not. Do I believe the biokinetic energy, all of us are connected? Definitely not. Because the thing of that is I know that 4 different species on this planet have different signatures, energy signatures. And I will go into a little bit more detail in the next video I'm going to do about that. And how I determine that is very interesting. But I'll just leave that for right now. But getting back to this, I thought this was interesting. Like I say, that's the first hypothesis. And that's the second. Does it really mean one's stronger than the other? I don't believe so. But I can say this. Would A be weaker? Would B be weaker by itself? No. That's not the case. Definitely not on the biokinetic energy. Everybody can have the same strength. But the difference between O and the difference between AB, there is something special about these two. Now we know that O can give blood to anybody, but AB is even more wide needed, but AB can actually give plasma to anyone. And AB actually can receive from anyone, something that none of the rest can do. So that's a thought there. Think about that for a second. AB can receive from anyone, and the plasma can be given to anyone here. O can give blood to anyone. Different than plasma though. So anyway guys, just a short little video. Have a good one.